Welcome to another Hunters Connect video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly maintain your shotgun after a successful morning of waterfowl hunting. Properly maintaining your firearm can help ensure safety and a successful time in the field with friends and family. But before we get into cleaning our firearm, we need to make sure that when we travel, we store away our firearm safely and to state guidelines in our vehicle. If you ever need to leave the vehicle for any reason while you have a firearm stored away in it, make sure to roll up all windows and lock the vehicle. Now that we have successfully made it home with our firearm, it is time to properly clean the shotgun and make sure it is fully functioning for our next adventure. Step 1. Find a table that is free and clear of any obstructions to place your firearm on. Step 2. Remove your firearm from its case and double check to make sure that it is free of ammunition and that the safety is on. Always make sure to point the firearm in a safe direction. Step 3. Disassemble the shotgun as far as the manual suggests, and if the manual isn't clear, simply search for a video on YouTube. Step 4. Now that the shotgun is disassembled, we need to inspect each of the following parts for debris and remove it. Then scrub down and lightly oil the following parts: the barrel, the choke tube, the trigger group, the bolt, the receiver, and the gas system. Make sure to take your time on each one of these parts and give them your full attention when handling them. Now that you have broken down and cleaned each one of the parts of your firearm, it is time to reassemble it and wipe it down. Make sure to use a safe product on your wood or synthetic stock. Now that our firearm is properly cleaned, it is extremely important that it is stored away in a safe location, away from the access of children and any other unwanted guests. For this, we recommend a firearm safe that requires specific credentials to access your firearms. Before we go, we just want to remind everyone of the importance of properly maintaining and storing your shotgun after a successful waterfowl hunt. Remember, the main focus of properly maintaining your firearm is to ensure safety in and out of the field. A jammed firearm is not only a damper on the hunt, but also a hazard within the blind. As always, for more waterfowl tips, visit our Hunters Connect YouTube channel or check out our Instagram. Thanks for watching.